Hello everyone! In my latest video, I've showed you how to do a blinking animation using a script and the animator. But I do notice there is this bug where if you zoom your camera too close to the character, their face just got flattened. The solution for this problem is actually quite easy. In the hierarchy window, click on your character's game object, click on the face child object, and in the skin mesh renderer component, check the Update when off-screen tick box. Right away, you can see that the character's face returns to normal. We can do that again with the hair game object, and that's pretty much it. But why does this happen? To understand that, we first need to activate the Gizmo view. Right away, you can see this little box on top of the character. This is called the bounding box, and you can control it here in the bounds section of the skin mesh renderer component. So the way that the rendering works in Unity is that once an object's entire bounding box has exited the camera field of view, it is no longer rendered. And you can see that clearly in this demonstration. This is also true if we modify the model's body bounding box into a single point. Once the point leaves the camera, the body also disappears. So when we checked this tick box earlier, we told Unity to ignore where this object is on the camera and just render it wherever it is. Of course, this could lead to some performance issues if you have too many objects with this tick box check. It is also quite interesting that the parts of the body in a VRoid model extends all the way to the back of the head, and that the face is a separate object with its own bounding box. I think it's pretty cool. So there you go. I hope you found this video helpful and interesting, and if you do, feel free to leave a like and subscribe, and support me on my Ko-fi page so I can keep making free, helpful contents like this. And with that, I think I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.